Okay, everyone, in this video, I want to share to all of you about the tutorial of 3D modeling in SketchUp to make simple modern house with a dimension for the line width it's 8 meter, and for the length of the line it's around 17.5 meter, and we can see for the um, environment, we can see for the line. I'm sorry, I will um, check check again about the length of the line. It's around 22.5 meter, and the width of the line it's around 8.5 meter. And this is about the line. This is about the line side of this house. Okay, this is for the plan that I have made from the another software such as AutoCAD, and this is for the first floor. Sorry, this is for the ground floor, and this is for the first floor, and it has a two-layer floor of this modern house. Okay, we have to make the wall first from this plan, from this basic plan of this house. We have to make a wall. We can use the line with line tool. Then we can start draw from here, or we can use using the rotated rectangle first. Okay, this is a rotated rectangle. Then we can set the width of this wall around 120 millimeter. Okay, just like that. Okay, then we can set the height. For this case, I just set the height around 3.4 meter for the height. Okay, this is for the height for the floor to floor elevation, and we can set for another wall. We can using the rotated rectangle. Okay, then for we can draw any size of the length. Then we have to set the width of the wall. It's around 150 millimeter. Okay, this is 150 millimeter, and then we can set the height same as the previous wall right there. And don't forget to make for every single wall is to be one group. Okay, please triple click on this object and then right click and then just select make group to make this every single object to be one group anyway. Then for this single wall, we can duplicate to the another wall line like this. Okay, we can duplicate to the another line as the for every single line of this. Okay, we can set and adjust for every single line right there. Okay, we can using push. We can using push pull to pull or push, and we can just set it. Then we can just select this one, and then we can select rotate it. Then we can rotate and press Control on our keyboard. Okay, and press Control to duplicate, and then we can type it one. We can type it 90 degree. Okay, you can see for the angle. You can see for the angle tab, and then we can select Enter. Okay, then we can adjust for the lane for every single lane right there. Okay, we can use a push or pull right there. Okay, this one. Okay, we can just adjust for every single wall like this. Okay, then we can move and duplicate. We can move and duplicate. We can place on this position, and we can adjust again for every single wall lane. Then we can make sure for place on the center line right there. Except this one, we have to make it we have to make it to be the in on the side, because this area is for another user or another customer land anyway, but in this area is for this user land, I mean. Okay, then we have to adjust it again. We can adjust. Then we can click for every single, for any object. Then we can place on the midpoint of this group, of this line. Okay, and then we can rotate it. We can rotate it 90 degree. Okay, and then we have to move and place on this position. Okay, and then we can place on this position. Okay, and then we can move again and place to the another position also. Okay, then we have to move again and duplicate to the another wall lane right there. Okay, then we have to adjust for the every single inclination of the wall. I mean, just like this. Okay, this is almost complete, but we have to put another wall again on this front of the wall. Okay, we have to rotate and type 90 degree. Then we can adjust skin. Okay, we can adjust skin for this one, and okay, we can duplicate it again. Anyway, this is not only about housing, but it also about the clinic or medical, little medical clinic. Anyway, because the user of this house is doctor and medical professional, I mean. So this room is for medical purpose. I mean, this is about the waiting room, and this is entrance. This is nursery area. I mean, and many more. Okay, then we can. Okay, we can adjust it. We can adjust for every single wall to place on the line anyway. Okay, then we have to move again right there. Okay, then we have to make the wall of the bathroom. This is a little bathroom on the ground floor anyway. This is a little bathroom, and okay, this one. Okay, we have to complete for every single wall connection. We have to complete it, and it almost done for this ground floor. This is for the ground floor 3D wall. Then we have to make the another element. This is a crucial element. It's important element. It's the element is stair. Okay, I want to show you about how to make the stair. But I have already prepared this stair plan before in another software in AutoCAD, but in this case, I want to share to you about how to make the stair to connect with the ground floor. So after we make the stair, we can connect to the first floor, I mean. Okay, first of all, we have to make, or we can using the rotated rectangle or rectangle, is depend on you. But in this case, I'm feel comfort if I using the rotated rectangle like this. Okay, this is rotated rectangle, and make sure it's on face with stair plane. Anyway. Okay, then we have to set the height of for every single staircase. It's around 180. Okay, 180. I will show you about the dimension. Okay, and for the untread, it's around 300 millimeter, and for the obtread, it's around 180 millimeter. This one for every single staircase. Okay, don't forget to right click and make component and just create. Okay, then we have to and move in this position, move and control, and you repeat again and again, move and control. Okay, to make the uh, perfect stair, you have to move and control. Okay, I suggest you to make the stair step by step. We have to make the stair for every single flame. Okay, this is for the first, and the second we have to make a borders right there, and make sure it's similar with the plan right there. It's matched with the plan between the plan and 3D. Then we have to make a borders. This is landing 180, make group. Okay, then we have to make another stair again, another stair. Okay, this one. Okay, 180 millimeter. Make group and make component. Okay, this one, and then we can make stair landing again right there. Okay, we have to click. We have to select it and make a group, and we have to make it group, and we have to move and press Control, and then place on this position, and then we have to rotate it. But because we have to adjust with we have to adjust to match with the plane right there. So this is about the stair. This is about how to make the simple stair. Or if you want to make it more perfect, it can. So for the component just now, we can adjust it again. We can triple click for any object of the stair. We can triple click. Okay, so all over the stair, all over the staircase can be adjust to. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay. Okay, then we have to select this line and move, and okay, you can see. Okay, we can see about the perfect synchronize. We can see about the perfect synchronize between all of our staircase. I mean, okay, then we can continue to make it perfect for the bottom of the staircase. I mean. This one, wait, 1 minute. I have to check my phone first. Okay, let's continue it. And we can also make it perfect for the landing. This one, okay, I mean it was a perfect base of the stair. I mean it perfect base for the stair. And okay, we can see about the stair, and so we can make it to be one group, to be a single group. And first of all, we have to select all and right click and just make group. Okay, then we have to move and place to the right position. Okay, in this case, I have a reverse position, so we have to reverse position with this one, flip along with the green axis. Okay, this one. Okay, this is about the stair. This is about the stair area. And then we have to make for another element. So the element is about the slab. We have to make the slab. We have to make a slab object by using the line. Okay, then we have to follow for the lane of this ground floor. I mean, we have to follow for the lane of the ground floor right there. Okay, we have the plane. This is a two-dimension plane. This is about the two-dimension plane, but we have to make the thickness of the slab. We have to make this thickness. For the thickness of the slab in my country, it's approximately for this simple house or little house. It's depend on the distance between the column to the column. So if you want a perfect detail for the thickness of the slab, you have to discuss and you have to consult with your civil engineer. So in this case, I will make the assumption. I just make the assumption, but I just make the assumption which is the thickness of the slab is around 400 450 millimeter. Okay, this is the slab. The slab thickness is depend on the slab thickness is depend on the beam height. It's depend on the beam height. Okay, Okay, this is depend on the beam height. And the next step, we have to make the first floor. Okay, the first floor is different layout with the ground floor anyway. So we have to follow the line on this first floor. We have to follow the line for this first floor. Then okay, then we can combine between the ground floor to the first floor. Okay, this one for the fast tips and trick. We can just click one of the wall. Then we have to move and duplicate. Okay, we have to move and duplicate and place on any position right there on the first floor layout. Then we can move and place on the correct position. Okay, then we have to adjust for every single line right there. Okay, we have to adjust for every single line to be a wall. As usual, we can using the move control and we can using a rotate. Okay, and now I using a rotate and we can rotate for 90 degree if it is perpendicular. Okay, we have to adjust it and then we can. Okay, we can adjust. Then for adjusting the wall, we have to be patient because it has some configuration. It has it need the perfect. It need the perfection of the layout. The name of the room on the first floor. Okay, this is about the master bedroom. I mean, this is for the master bedroom area, and this is for the bathroom area. This is foyer, and this is for wardrobe area. So the user have to enter from this wardrobe to go to their own master bedroom area right there. And this is a child area, and this is a child area. Okay, then I've continued to make the lane of the wall. I mean, okay, we have to adjust for every single wall. We have to adjust for every single wall first. Okay, this one, and we have to adjust for every single connection between the wall, especially on the corner, because on the corner is usually crucial. I mean, okay, then we have to move and place on the correct position. We have to move and place on the correct position right there, and we have to adjust skin. Okay, we have to adjust, and this is about the bathroom area. This is about the bathroom area. Okay, we have to adjust for the bathroom area with using push and pull. With using a push and pull, and okay, we have to move and place on this position. We have to place on this position and adjust again for the line. We have to make it. We have to make the length of the wall is same to the line. Okay, just like this. Okay, we have to rotate with a 90-degree rotation. We have to rotate with a 90-degree rotation right there. Okay, and then we have to adjust. We have to adjust again. Okay, before this one, I have to make the hole on the top of the stair right there, and I have to adjust. I have to make the same position between the stair and another element also. Okay. Okay, this one, and for above the stair we have to make the some balcony area, just a little bit balcony in this area. It's around 1.2 meter. Okay, it's enough. Then we can move this. We can move this wall for this first floor wall. We can move this first floor wall to go to the upper position of this ground floor. I mean, so we have to move with using select all of this element, but I suggest you to select all of this element of the wall in this first floor from the front elevation like this. Okay, we have to drag with a cursor from the right corner top to the left corner bottom right there, so we can select all of the wall on this first floor without this slab. Okay, because the slab has already position on this object, and then don't forget to right click and make group as usual. Then we can just move using move tool and select on this corner and click. Okay, and then we have to make the same position with the ground floor wall, so it have already connected between the ground floor and the first floor object. So we got it. We got the basic or the simple wall composition. I mean, okay. In this case, we have to adjust. We have to adjust because it has uh, trouble. It has a miss position. It has a miss position, so we have to adjust it. Okay, don't forget to check for all of the position also. Okay, I think it's perfect now. Then we can check again for another position. Okay, we can uh, check it again. It has a misposition on this area, so we have to adjust it again. Okay, we have to adjust it and adjust for every single connection, especially on the corner. Okay, I mean it was almost complete, and okay, maybe we can just make it a little bit right there. Then don't forget to make the window or opening. Don't forget to make opening for every single area. Okay, then we have to using the tape measure tool and place on the top. It's around 2.4 meter, 2.4 meter, and from this line, for this vertical line, click to the left, it's around 900 millimeter right there. I think it's enough. Then we have to triple click or double click this object to modify it, to make a opening, to make a wall opening, to be a door opening with using a rectangle, and from the corner to the corner, and then we can show, we can see about it, and then when we using push until the limit, so it has something like this. It have already being the door opening. Okay, and then we have to make for another opening and the door. Maybe we can make the, okay, maybe we can using this. Okay, we can triple click or double click, and we can select all this one. I mean this area only. Sorry, this area only, and copy and edit, paste in place. Okay, and then we have to move. Okay, we have to make it group first. Anyway, we have to make it group first. The way to make it group is select all this line, right click and make group. Okay, then we can set it to the correct position. We can set to the correct position, just like this. And now we can adjust for every single door and window. But for the first, we have to position it again. Okay, we have to select this surfaces only. Then we have to push to make extension, because this area for the bedroom. So we have to make extension of the slab, I mean. Okay, and then we have to make for every single opening. We have to make for every single opening by using the tape measure tool. Okay, when we can use a tape measure tool, click and place on this position, and then drag again to the another position. It's around 900. Okay, and drag from the horizontal line, horizontal edge, drag to the upper position. It's around 2400 millimeter. Okay. Okay, then we have to using a rectangle. We have using a rectangle. Okay, then we can push it to the limit. Oh, I'm sorry, it's getting complicated right there. It's getting complicated. So we have to repeat the step. Okay, if we getting complicated, maybe we can using the we have to make the door frame first. We have to make the door frame first. And 900, and to the bottom 2000.4. And then we have to offset it inside around um, maybe it's around 60 millimeter. Okay, then we can, okay, we can select for all of this plane of this basic plane of the door. Okay, then we have to click this plane and right click and erase, and select this line, right click and erase. Okay, this is a frame, basic frame. And then we have to push to the front or to the back. It's depend on you. It's depend on your comfortable. Okay, but in this case I just wanna push it to the front around 120 millimeter, and then I just make group, and I just wanna make the different color, maybe this one. Okay, I just move to the position. Okay, then for the next step, maybe I just wanna delete this line. Then we have to make the hole first. Okay, then we have to complete the hole to make the door opening right there. And I mean it was already finished. Okay, then we have to make the door leaf with a thickness around 40 millimeter. Click and make group, and adjust the color. Okay, then we have to click, make group, and make component. Right click again and make component. So we can move and duplicate for the another position right there. Maybe for example this one. I'm sorry. For example in this position. Okay, and we can make the opening. We can make the another opening. Okay, and then we can move and duplicate again and place on the correct position. Okay, then we can place on this position, and then we can place for another door again right there in this position. And in this case, don't forget to flip it to adjust with the opening position right there. Just right click, flip it along, and on the green axis. Okay, and this one, and okay, we can make the another door. Okay, in this position. This is for laundry room and ironing room, and this is for the uh, dryer room or dryer area, rooftop area. Then we have to push it back until the limit, so we can get the sum of door position right there. And then for the bathroom area, okay, for the bathroom area, we have to move and adjust again. We have to move and adjust again, and right click and with flip it with the green, or if it already on the correct position, you can just only place on this position. And don't forget to adjust by right click and make unique, because the bathroom door is different with the communal door. The bathroom door is a little bit smaller than the communal door, I mean. Okay, we have to get the position, and then we can on this position we can get the opening position with a push and pull tool. So for the next one, we have to make the wall right there. We have to make the wall. Okay, we can select this wall, or we have to explode it first. Okay, so we can easily move and copy for every single wall in this position. Okay, So we have to make the plane again. We have to make the plane and just make it group. Then we have to rotate 90 degree. We have to rotate 90 degree, and we have to place in this position. Okay, so we can we can make the sliding door in this area. We can make the sliding door with the same elevation of the door. This is for the same elevation. Okay, this one, for example, for the width of the slide window, it's around maybe for around 900 length, 900 millimeter of the length right there. So this is for the sliding door only, because it's about the private room or private bedroom, I mean. So this is a sliding door, and this is a side hung door. Okay, then we can make the balcony area. We can make the balcony area. I mean, we have to duplicate this wall right there. We can duplicate this, adjust the wall again. Can adjust the wall again. Okay, just like this, and then we have to delete some element because we have to make the balcony area on this house, I mean. Okay, or we can just flip the wall in this position. This is balcony area, so this is only the wall area, I mean. Okay, this is about the balcony area on the corner. Okay, this is about the balcony area, and okay, I will show you about the another element, especially for this unique wall right there. Okay, make it group. Okay, and then we have to make for the modern exterior of this house. So we have almost done for the 3D modeling, but it's so far. It's still so far, I mean, because at least we can get the elevation between the floor to floor, and then we can get the door and the wall arrangement right there. And now we have to make the another element such as roof, and then window on the outside, and door, and many elements more, I mean. Okay, so we have to make the door opening first. We have to make door opening first. For the height of the door opening is around 2,400, and for the width of the door for the entrance door it approximately 1.6 millimeter, or 1.6 meter, I mean 1.6 meter. Okay, and this is about the another door, another additional door right there. Okay, this one, and we have to move and duplicate. Okay, we have to move and duplicate about 900 millimeter, and upper position it's around 2,400 millimeter, and just delete up until the limit, I mean. Okay, then I mean it's about the glass area on this position. It's around 2400. This is a glass area 2400, and this one is also around 1 meter. Okay, this is 1 meter, and we can using the rectangle to make the opening of the glass area of this house. And then we okay, we can make the another element such as a bathroom window right there. This is about the bathroom window. Okay, and we can push it down, move it down around 600. Okay, and then we can make the opening with a rectangle, and as usual we have to push until the limit right there. And we can also make this one on the bottom position, especially on the ground floor position for the bathroom area, I mean. Okay, because it's very important for ventilation and circulation or air circulation. Just this one, and okay, it's almost done. Then this is for the front area, and for the another area we have to move and make this one and make this one. uh, okay, we have to make the another position again. Maybe it's around 1 meter, 1 meter also right there. Okay, then we can make the another element such as a window frame, such as a aluminum window frame with a rectangle, and push it to the back until 120 approximately. And then we have to make group, and we can make the glazing area, or maybe we can just make the top hang concept of the window maybe. Okay, it's around 40 thickness, 40 millimeter of the thickness. And then we can just duplicate it again. We can just duplicate it. Okay, we can just duplicate, and we can make the another element such as a glazing. Okay, and then we have to make it group, and we can set for the another material with the using glass material just like this. And then we have to set the entrance door area. We have to design and make the modeling of the entrance door area with line, and for the thickness of the frame of the door is around 60 millimeter. Okay, and then we have to push it back around 120 millimeter, and I'm sorry, right click and make group, and make the door leaf. Okay, it's about the thickness is around 50 millimeter. Okay, then for the another purpose, then for the another, okay, we have to make the door element again. We have to duplicate the door element in this position. This is the door element area, and we can okay, we can just duplicate. We can just duplicate, but we have to modify it again for the another to take to the another position. We have to duplicate until this position, and then we can move. Okay, we have to move, place on this position. Okay, and then we can make for another element such as a glazing window over there. Okay, we can assumption this is about the glazing window, and also we can make the another window again with a frame. Frame it's around 35 millimeter, and push it back around 120 and make group. Okay, then we have to make group and place on this position. Then we can make the top hung window just like that. You can using the push, sorry, you can push, pull, right click and make group, and you can repeat the step. Okay, right there. Okay, we have to make a group. Then we have to maybe we can make component also. Just create and move, and we can place it to the another room, just like that. Okay, and then we can make the another sliding door, a transparent sliding door. I mean, okay, but we have to using the line first for making the frame. With the frame thickness is around 35 millimeter. Okay, this is 35 millimeter, and just delete some unnecessary line right there. Then we have to push it to back until 120 millimeter and make group and adjust the color. So then we have to using the line and throw this one, just follow the step, and then we can just adjust for the every single door leaf. I mean, I just want a 3 module of the door leaf, so it would make elegant vibes. Right there, and then we can do duplicate to the another position. Okay, just like that. Okay, then we can make the another exterior element maybe. Okay, or maybe we can just move and duplicate the window to make a complementary window from the front facade area. Okay, just like this. Okay, then uh, we have to adjust for another element such as a staircase and many more right there. Okay, so we can make the beautiful landscaping about the staircase approximately just like that. Okay, okay, approximately just like that, or maybe we can using the another beautiful landscape, maybe just like this one. Okay, okay, then we can make the another element such as a canopy, maybe this one, this for a canopy area, right there. It's around 1200 millimeter. Then we can also make the another canopy again right there, and we can uh, or maybe we can make it smaller than before for the window of the bathroom. We can make it smaller to match with the exterior as we want, I mean, because I think it's too wide for the exterior. Okay, this one. Okay, we have to make the okay, then we have to make the another element. Okay, we have to make the another element, make group. Okay, this is almost a modern exterior. Okay, so uh, on another on another step, we have to make some elements such as canopy again. I'm sorry, such as a canopy, or maybe we can make the roof area. We can make the roof. Okay, I mean this is about the roof area. I mean this is about the roof area. So we have to make a thickness. It's around 150 millimeter. 150 millimeter. Make group and just uh, move it down right there. Then we can make the roof area. Okay, we have to offset it inside. It's around 600 maybe. Okay, 600, and then we can just select this line and rotate. You can rotate a 45 degree and press Control. Don't forget. Yeah, just click this one and rotate 45 degree. Press Control and just click it and delete some unnecessary line. And then we have to select this line, move, and place on this position. Select this line, move, and place on this position. And don't forget to connect with the another line. Okay, so in this case, I want to make the inclination. It's around 40 degree of roof inclination on the on this roof. I mean, so we have to make the 40 degree from the protector with the protector. You have to set a 40 degree. Then you have to move this protector line and place on this position, and also this protector line move and place on this position. So we have to select this line, and then we have to move, and then we have to make sure it's parallel on the blue axis, and then we have to constrain on the line from point. Okay, this one it's about the 40 degree of the roof inclination. And don't forget to right click and make group as usual, and then we have to move up again. It's around 500. Okay, it's around 500. And don't forget to close the bottom area on there. And maybe we can just select this plane and copy and paste in place and offset it inside. Offset it inside around 400 and place on this position, make group. And then we have to select this one and type 150. Okay, and so then we can select the color. Okay, we can select the color, and maybe it's just black color first. Okay, for this one, and then we can set the railing with the glass railing right there. With the glass railing, it's around 20 millimeter for the glass railing thickness. Then for the height of railing, 1.1 meter, and make group. And don't forget to assign material with the glass material. Okay, just like that. And then we can set the another variation of the exterior. maybe we can using a rectangle and push it to the front, and we can select the stone maybe with stone material just like this to make a modern vibes. Okay, so then we can see about the outside, and I mean it has a window. It has a little window on this position because this is about a functional room for a clinic, for a registration area. Okay, then we have to make group and this one, and okay, maybe we can add some element on this position. Maybe we can add some element right there with using a rectangle, make group, push and pull. Okay, just okay, everyone. Sorry, it's getting trouble and getting complicated with my electricity in my environment in my house. Okay, let's continue. Anyway, I have already continued for the exterior of this 3D modeling. I just add some element of exterior such as a canopy and then this little um, line, little straight line, vertical line right there to make the different vibes and different style on this exterior. And I have already add some stone right there or another color of this design. So overall for this design, the color of the design is just like that. And this in this area is only a flat zone. Okay, I just wanna make the another color on this um, exterior area. Maybe this is for the exterior area. Okay, this is for the exterior, and I have to make synchronize about the color of this house. Okay, just like that, and this one also. Okay, anyway, this is about the um, kitchen. So I just make the opening right there. I want to make the opening on this kitchen. Anyway, okay, this is opening on this kitchen, just like that. Okay, and then we have to push it until the limit right there. Okay, and then we have to make the equals for the elevation between the opening and for the another door anyway. So we have to adjust for the floor also. We have to adjust for the floor, and we have to make the frame, door frame anyway. And okay, I have to make the completely dimension. Okay, just like that. Okay, I have to make a slide door, and I have to make a frame with 35 millimeter for the frame of the door opening right there, and push it. We have to push it back 120 and just make group. Okay, and then we have to make the sliding door over there approximately just like that. We have to push it back around 40 millimeter and make group. Okay, then we have to move it over there, and don't forget to make a railing. Maybe we can just using the simple railing. We can just use a simple railing only. So we have to push it outside, and then about 40 millimeter for the thickness. Okay, 40 millimeter for the thickness also. So we have to move it up. I'm sorry, we have to move it up. Make component, just create. We can okay, we can set the 1.2 meter, and we can type 9x and sorry, 9 slash and enter. Okay, this one. This is about the how to make a railing on the surfaces area. So the railing is not special, but it's just about the functional aspect for the safety for the laundry area and many more. Okay, just like that. And this is about the laundry room and for drying area. Okay, we have to make the another roof or another flat roof right there, and then we have to complete for all over the room right there. Okay, maybe we can just make the another extension for canopy with using this push and tool right there. Okay, I mean it was enough. And okay, I think it's enough. I hope you will get a lot of benefit from this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe, and comment and like or share this tutorial, and just wait for my next tutorial of the building modeling in my next video in this channel. Okay, thank you for watching until the end.